Hello guys, Sam here. I'm going to show you how to replace a battery from a APC BackUPS RS700. I got the replacement battery from ReplaceUPSBattery.com. So first thing we're going to do is make sure that the UPS is completely unplugged. Second thing, I'm just going to push down the tab here and it should slide right off. And then we're going to want to slide out the old battery while slowly disconnecting the tabs. There's one. There's the red one gone. And next is the black one. And it's all disconnected. Pull it out completely. And we'll set the dead one aside. And the new one just slide right in here. And as we're sliding it, we're going to want to connect the black one first, which is the ground. And you do want to take off these little tabs if you have them. They're just protectors. So the black one's connected. Now the red one. And just slide it right in here. Make sure the cords are nice and snug. And then you slide on the compartment again. Should lock back in. And now we'll plug it back in to see if she works. And success. So that is how you replace a APC BackUPS RS700 battery. And again, the battery was bought from ReplaceUPSBattery.com. Hope you enjoyed.